blushing? I'm blushing. The person behind my camera said, I am so pretty. Now I come. When you call your wife upon one, you carry her like this. You will not allow your wife to fall.
Break.
Don't let that precious egg to break. Igbo mama no kwenu kwezuonu. Opana doma nwadi Igbo Alex PaschalineAlex. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys romantic name. Na emo obia so that you can call your girlfriend in Igbo. That's Igbo yatisaha ebeni ne odojilu. You understand? Ngwano kaibano no mumu getata. Okay, I know guys, I know you guys will be saying, why am I blushing? I'm blushing. The person behind my camera said, I am so pretty. Now I come. Okay guys, romantic names, females in Igbo. Ichoi meka ima onye na no onye na date ko bi o mana akpa ya all the time. Ekpo onye agụnwanyi. Agụnwanyi in Igbo is powerful woman.
This is a lion, not a woman.
No. Kirika mbano. Agụnwanyi, yes, like is a symbol of lion. That's a powerful woman. That is agụnwanyi. We have omoma asalo. Omoma asalo, like a lady that is using tie. You know that you are fine already. You are just using tie.
No need to have your butt again.
You don't need to have your butt again. That is omoma asalo. You can call that to your girlfriend, your wife. You know, don't go and call it to before I get back in. Oyolimawani. Oyolimawani. That's Oyolimawani is a woman that is, you know, she's everywhere. She's scattered, she's fine. Ojureju, she's beautiful. Oyolimawani. Oto dinawani. Oto, or my people, Anambra will tell you, Oso dinawani. Oto dinawani.
Sweetness.
This like the sugar, the sweetness in a woman. You know when a woman is sweet, you just wake up in the morning, you call your wife, you say, Oto dinawani. She will just be happy the rest of the day. Nenebe ejolo. Enenebe ejolo. That means the one people look at and forget to go to work.
Hey!
Enenebe ejolo. You will be looking at her and forget to go to work. But my brother, better go to work because you know your pockets. Gara nenebe jolo. Olubajie boys.
Neck will break.
May boys' neck break while looking at your woman because she's so pretty. She's so pretty. Can your girl ever? Nah. Yori unwa. Yori unwa means, you know, beautiful woman in all places. Like, I'm with you, my yori. With you, everything is well. Hearty. You have oyoyo. Oyoyo means extraordinary beauty. Oyoyo, extraordinary beauty. You have ugodia. Ugodia is the pride of her husband, the eagle of the house. You know, that's ugodia. The tomato juice is always beautiful, very fresh, red, fresh, and so when you want to make your woman happy, you just call her tomato juice. Asampete nwa. That means beautiful lady too. Asampete. If somebody come, otum in Igbo, there is something they call otu in Igbo language. It's a fruit. So you want to call your wife otum, that is my fruit. Obim is my heart. Obim, precious Obim. Precious is my heart. My heart. Ugochi Wobin. Ugochi is my akwanwa. Akwanwa. Akwanwa is precious egg. That's akwanwa. You'll be carrying it like this. When you call your wife akwanwa, you carry her like this. You will not allow your wife to fall.
Break.
Don't let that precious egg to break. Because if it break, the family don't break. Okay, so akwanwa is precious egg. We have Omalicha. Omalicham, my beauty. Omalicham, my beauty. Ugegbem. I know that most of you want to know the meaning of Ugegbem. Ugegbem means my mirror. Like when you call your wife Ugegbem, that is my mirror. You know, that's the meaning of Ugegbem. Ugegbe, 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 my mirror. Anyanwụ ụtụtụ. Anyanwụ ụtụtụ. Anyanwụ ụtụtụ means rising sun. Like when you look at your wife and you be like, Anyanwụ ụtụtụ. Anyanwụ ụtụtụ means rising sun. Odaram means
Doran Micha.
Micha Michaka. Odaram means my sherry. My sherry. Odaram means my sherry. Have Nkem. Did you call your boyfriend Nkem?
My own.
My
this,
own.
This time around, no, your own, not be your own. So.
Oh my god. We have Nkem means mine. Mine. Nkem. You have Akum. Akum. Akum means my treasure. These are the names that you can call, romantic names that you can call your girlfriend, your wife, you know? Even self, you know, we can call somebody that you like, Agwani, all those things. So guys, this is my YouTube now watching. Thank you so much for coming to watch. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, so that somebody will learn how to speak Igbo language. Igbo language will not die. That's what I meant. So please subscribe, share, like, and also comment on the
Soya and Igbo.
okay. Subscribe one. That's bana keba there subscribe. Like yania. Ever heard the ima ihe love? Ge pia ya aka. Gi zikwanu ndị bunu just nye ya ndị bunu ka ha watch kwanu. Enwere onye chi mụta ka esi asụ Igbo.
Watch ya no abụghị English.
Gị nye mmadụ ka ọ nene ka ọ mara ka esi asụ Igbo. Ịghọtago maka ndị na-amara ife na-asụ. I'm just saying that you should subscribe, watch, like, share so that somebody close to you wants to learn Igbo language. Igbo amanda, Igbo amanwu, Igbo kwezuonu. Unu ya dị.